Hello everybody! Welcome back to Songbird Kids. Let's count to the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done! Today we're going to use some ladybirds to count to the number 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Okay, we take 1 away. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 4 ladybirds. Let's take another one. 1 away. 1, 2, 3. 3 ladybirds. And what happens if we take another? How many are there? 1, 2. 2 ladybirds. Great. And if we take another, how many do we have? 1. Yes, we have 1 ladybird left. Well done. Okay, let's count to 5 again. Ready? Well done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ladybirds. Now let's take them down and put them aside. We're going to count to 5 using something else. I'm going to turn the leaf around and make a hill. Can you guess what swims on a hill and goes quack, quack, quack? That's right, it's a duck. Can I hear your quack? Quack, quack, quack. 1, 2, quack, quack. 3, quack, quack, quack. 4, quack, 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 quack. 5. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little ducks. Can you guess where these little ducks are swimming? They're swimming over the hill, and Mother Duck will say, quack, quack, quack. And did all 5 come back? Only 4 came back. 4 little ducks are going swimming over the hill and far away, and Mother Duck's going to say, very good. And 1, 2, 3. Only 3 came back. And 3 are going to go swimming now over the hill and far away, and Mother Duck is going to say, very good. And only 2 came back. 1 and 2. And 2 went swimming over the hill and far away, and yes, she said quack, quack, quack. Only 1 came back, and 1's going swimming over the hill and far away. And did they come back? Oh, no, none of them came back. So where's Mother Duck going? Swimming over the hill. And do you think they'll come back if Mother Duck says, quack, 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 quack? I think they're going to come back. Let's count them together. 1, 2. 1, 2. What's next? 3. Very good. And 4. Great. And 5. 5 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. They're all back with the Mother Duck. Let's find something else to count to the number 5 with. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great counting, everybody. Well done. And 1, 2. Let's see if we could find some more. 3, 4, and 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pink and red hearts. Thank you so much for joining me today, everybody. Let's all pack up. And away it goes. Packing up all of the love hearts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.